If we scroll down here, we can edit this website footer here at the bottom in a similar way to how we've just edited our header. So let's click X here, back to Customize, and down to Footer Builder. That will focus the footer, and you can see that we have a similar layout here. Let's open this copyright, and we're going to fix the year value. So over here, instead of 2022, I'll remove this. I'll type a left bracket and current underscore year and close with a right bracket. And now that's a variable that populates the current year. Now that that's fixed, let's change our logo to match the header. I'll click this pen icon. I'll say got it here. I'll click replace on the logo, and then I'll open media library. I'll select my logo like I've done before. Click select. Then to access the footer menu options again, we can click back and click footer menu here, or we can click it right here as well. We have options to change these pages to inline, which is what is shown now, or stack. I like inline, and you can arrange this how you'd like. To save our changes, let's click publish, and then we can close the customizer.